Alright guys, just wrapped up this beautiful 2024 GMC Sierra 1500. This is the SLT trim. It's got the factory 20-inch wheels. We went with a 295/65/20 Toyo MT. This comes out to just a touch over a 35 and right at 12 inches wide. Got the BDS 6-inch lift. Now this is going to be their strut spacer version. They've got several different ones. They've got one that comes with strut spacers. They've got one with a snap ring coilover. They've got one with the Fox 2.5 Elite coilover. So they've got several different versions. If you watch any of our videos, we do a bunch of videos on all the different options that they do carry. This one's going to utilize your factory strut and just adds an extension to it. Now you do also get the full suspension kit. It's not just a spacer. Obviously you're getting your cross members, your skid plate, your diff drop, your new knuckles. So it's a full suspension system. Just saves you a little bit of money by not having to replace that front strut. I love their 3-piece skid plate design here. Really protects the underside of your kit while tying your front and rear cross members together. Protects that differential really well. Great angles even for a 6-inch kit. This kit comes with new outer tie rods as well. See your rear cross member here. It's got your sway bar drop brackets. And you see your new diff mount is actually integrated into your rear cross member. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of hard to see from where we're at. As far as tire clearancing goes, with it being a 6-inch on essentially a 35, all we have to do is just trim out just, if I can get you in here a little better, just the lower section of your valence, and then the bottom section through here of your inner liner, and then that's really it. Rear flares work just fine. Now you can clear this size tire on a 4-inch, but there is a good bit more trimming involved, so it really comes down to the look that you want. We got the Fox 2.0 shocks on the rear. You can see those peeking through right there. This is a mono-leaf rear spring, so just take a special U-bolt for this. Kind of a weird design GM's came out with. Let's see if I can show you that. The leaf spring actually has a bolt-in shackle that ties into the spring and has this neat little arch to it. So it's a little different. It uses the same rear block. It just uses special U-bolts to work with that mono-leaf spring. Now this is not on all of their trucks. It's only on some of them. So when we order your kit, we typically ask for a picture of your spring to identify which one your truck has. I can see a little better in here if I come through this way, that mono-leaf spring. Maybe. Also got a 24-450 over here. It's getting the Striker 4-inch kit. It's going to have JTX wheels on 37 Toyo MTs as well. But back to this good looking GMC we got here. I think this is the first one we've done in this color. Looks really nice. It's got with the chrome, it's got a nice classy look to it. It's bright without being overdone. All right, guys. That's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.